Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Kia Niro navigation system. First, you'll need to download the official navigation updater software onto your computer. Make sure your USB drive has at least 64 gigabytes of storage capacity. Connect the USB drive to your computer before you begin the update process. This ensures the software can properly recognize and prepare the drive for the map data. Following these initial steps will set you up for a smooth update. Once the software is installed, open it and select your Kia Niro model and region from the drop-down menus. This ensures you get the correct map data for your vehicle. Next, choose the specific USB drive you connected earlier from the list of available drives. The software will then begin downloading the latest map data directly onto your USB. This process can take some time, depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. With the USB drive prepared, head to your Kia Niro. Turn on the ignition, but keep the engine off. This provides power to the infotainment system without running the engine unnecessarily. Insert the USB drive into the vehicle's dedicated USB port. Your Niro system should automatically detect the update. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to initiate and complete the navigation system update. It's a straightforward process once the USB is ready. After the update is complete, verify that the new map version is correctly installed within your Kia Niro's navigation settings. This confirms a successful update. Once confirmed, safely remove the USB drive from the vehicle's port. Remember to regularly check for new updates to keep your navigation system current. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.